Authorities in South Africa have revealed that more than 1,000 rhinos were poached in South Africa last year. A strong demand from Asia fueled a 50% jump in the illegal slaughter from 2012. In 2007, only 13 rhinos were reported poached in South Africa, but since then, the numbers have increased exponentially every year. Despite drone and foot patrols, poachers appear to stay ahead of the security forces. Some 37 rhinos have already been killed illegally so far this year in South Africa, which is home to around 80% of the world's rhino population, estimated at more than 25,000.
We've seen poaching numbers since 2010 triple. We're certain to see another record in the next year. We're certain to see more than 1,000 rhinos being poached in 2014. It'll probably take a miracle to ensure that that doesn't happen. And the danger is that we have either reached that point or we are very close to the tipping point where rhinos' breeding rates are outstripped by poaching, where more rhinos are being killed than are being born.